Oh my God, where did the mirror go? So, with a mirror in your hand, I don't like how dark these cars are nowadays. I mean, I don't know. Look, here's your base. And here's your base. So can you see that? See, it looks like it grabs on. You see? So what you got to do is actually twist it. Twist. See these guys, these little metal prongs right here. There's a small, if you look closely, let me see if I can get a light. Here we go. Turn this down. Okay. You see that? Look, this is broad daylight, by the way. I'm using a flashlight in the broad daylight. This is American. So, let's show you how to do that. And here's what you didn't see. This puppy right here. I gotta stop saying puppies. All right, so this kitty right here. All right, that would be where the mirror goes, but it's right there. So the tool like this, gotta love this thing. It's in the description, yeah. So you go up here, see, and you pry, pop it right out. Now, mind you, the mirror is not there, but we do have to pull this out. You pull it down because they just snap into place. See? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I had the mirror sitting as such. So, I said to myself, let me keep pulling and prying and pulling and prying. And then I figured out that, hey man, it just turns. The whole thing just turns. You want to go, which side is this? This is clockwise, right? Yeah, clockwise. That's what you want to do. But I mean, if you do pull it hard enough, you probably can pop it out of the socket. Not that you want to, but you got to pull, you got to turn. It is kind of hard in one end. Let me see if I can do it with this one. I'm right hand dominant. No. Okay, so some great force, it will pop right out. And you got to turn this way because you got to get these guys off. But I'm sure if you pulled hard enough, these will just release. So don't get drunk one night and just sort of like pull your mirror off. But I guess you could if you want. So like I said, you got to align these two. You see? They're wider. And then you turn it with great force as well, which I can't do with one hand. Listen, I'm trying to get a helper. Doesn't pay enough. So, see how it's locked into place now? See how it's straight? Alright, so this guy's straight. So there you go. There you have it. If you want to put this guy back, wherever this guy is. Very easy with just lining up the pins. Let's pull this mirror back up so we can get some. And there you go. Here to snap. There you go. So, put it down, line them up, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.